word Advent itself comes from the Latin word adventus, which means a coming, or arrival, or being. And as someone said, it's like, in a way, preparing a mother who's giving birth. There's a part of hesitation and joy, looking forward to the birth, but at the same time, some hesitation and slowly preparing. The readings all in Scripture and so forth lead up to that, the coming of Christ and so forth. But at the same time, we've lost a lot of that because Christmas comes even before Thanksgiving now. One of the most common symbols of Advent is the Advent wreath, which we have here. And most people would recognize that, especially the Catholics. Churches have it. The first candle is lit on the first Sunday of Advent, and there are 4 weeks and 4 candles. And if you notice, there are 3 violet candles and 1 pink candle. The first 2 weeks of Advent are the penitential season, the preparing and so forth. And then as you increase the joy, the idea is to begin slowly and increase the joy till you reach Christmas, the birth of Jesus. And the pink candle is one that actually gives that joy a boost. And then we continue with another purple one, and then we have Christmas. The symbol of light is the light of the world, Christ being the light of the world. Symbol of green, oftentimes around the base. Green is a symbol of hope. And so there's hope as the coming of Jesus. We do that. And as I said, it can take many different forms. Sometimes there's a white candle there that's just lit on Christmas to represent the birth of Christ. Another symbol we have is too the birth of Jesus. We don't put Jesus in the crib, but we set up the crib till Christmas Eve. But you'll see it many times set up. In fact, they asked me on the boulevard, are we going to put Jesus in the crib before Christmas out there, because we just put up the crèche out by the bell tower. And no, we're going to wait till Christmas Eve to put Jesus out there then. So Mary and Joseph the shepherds are out there, but not Jesus, not until he comes. But the important thing today too is that we've lost a lot of that symbolism, and we're trying to bring that back. It's difficult, especially on a college campus, because Christmas, we're not here for Christmas. We're not here to celebrate that event. The students are gone. And so we move some of that Christmas into an earlier time. But try to keep it more reverent if we can. But that's really the sign of Advent and why we have that season. It's the beginning of the church year, 4 weeks before Christmas, and then from there it continues the rest of the year.